Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Greenworks pressure washer soap not working, dispenser and hose troubleshooting. Fix 1 is use the soap nozzle, turn off the pressure washer, then remove the high pressure spray tip. Install the black soap nozzle, then turn the washer back on and test the soap dispenser. Second one is check the soap hose, turn off the machine, then remove the soap picker hose, then from the detergent bottle, then look for kinks, cracks or clogs. Rinse the hose with clean water if it is blocked. Reconnect the hose securely. Third one is make sure there is enough detergent. Check that the detergent bottle is not empty. Use pressure washer detergent only. If the detergent is thick, dilute it according to the manufacturer's instruction. Place the soap hose fully into the detergent. Fourth one is clean the soap injector. Turn off the pressure washer and disconnect the power. Then locate the soap injector where the soap hose connect. Remove any dirt or dry detergent. Flush the injector with warm water. Reassemble everything and test again. Fifth one is remove air from the soap line. Fill the detergent bottle, then install the soap nozzle. Run the pressure washer for 30 to 60 seconds. Wait for the soap to begin flowing through the hose. Thanks for watching.